Hello, good day everyone. You are welcome to another segment of online iCode tutor. From our previous discussion, we discussed something about uh, trigonometric ratio of special angle. But today we are going to be looking at some question under that particular topic. Now, we have been given these two triangles. This is the question. We are given these two triangles. Before you lay your hands on any topic, on any question, you need to make sure you understand the question. Now, we are given two triangles. Before we can solve this triangle, first of all, look at the complete area given. If you look at this first triangle, we are only given angle, no sides. If you look at the second triangle, we are given one angle and another side. Do you understand? If you look at what you are being asked to calculate for, we are being asked to calculate BC, that is line BC. Now, that means that we need to make use of what we call SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. Now, from SOHCAHTOA, we'll be able to get this other side. Now, we are given hypotenuse and side. I want to calculate for adjacent. That means that we need to make use of CAH, which is cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. This one now will not be cos. Our angle given to us here is 45. Cos 45 degree equals adjacent is BC divided by our hypotenuse is 12 centimeter. Now, that means that we need to make use of the trigonometric ratio of 45 degree is 1 over 2. That means that this one will be 1 divided by 2 equals BC over 12 centimeter. Now, the next thing to do here is just cross multiply. That is 2BC equals 1 multiplied by 12 centimeter. 2BC equals 12 centimeter. Now, we need to know the value of BC, not 2BC. That means that we are dividing both sides by the coefficient of BC, which is BC divided by, that's 2BC divided by 2 equals 12 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. BC equals 2 here 1, 2 in 12, that's 6. And therefore, our BC equals 6 centimeter. Now, that means that we've already get the value of line BC. That means that our line BC is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Now, let's move to AB. That means that we need to calculate AB. Don't forget that AB is hypotenuse here, and BC is adjacent. That means that we already know the value of the hypotenuse and adjacent. That means that what value are we going to use? That means that we are still going to make use of CAH also. That is cos 30 degree equals. Now, that's adjacent. Our adjacent here is what? Adjacent is BC divided by hypotenuse, that is AB. Now, from trigonometric ratio, our cos 30 degree equals root 3 divided by 2. That's root 3 over 2 equals BC. What's the value of our BC? Our BC is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter divided by AB. Let's cross multiply. That's 2, let's say root 3 AB equals 2 multiplied by 6. Root 3 AB equals 2 times 6, that is 12. Now, we need to divide both sides by the coefficient of AB because we need to know the value of AB. That is divided by root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel root 3. We are left with AB equals 12 root 3. 12 divided by, that's 12 divided by root 3. Now, in a situation when you have a fractional sort at your denominator, that means that you need to rationalize. This one now will now give us AB equals 12 root 3 multiplied by, rationalize means you are dividing, you are multiplying by the denominator. That's root 3 and divided by the denominator again over root 3. This one now will now give 12 root 3 divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3 from sort. When you multiply roots of the same alphabet or the same number, it gives you that exact number of alphabet. That means that root 3 multiplied by root 3 is 3. 3 here 1, 3 in 12, that is 4. Therefore, AB equals 4 root 3 in centimeter. That is all for now. If you have any question, let us know from the comment section. Have a good day.